Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock Realme Neo7 without the password. Okay, so let's begin. So basically there are two methods how you can do it on your own, and I'm gonna show you both of them. But for the first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked. But I will tell you that you can perform this action that I'm gonna be showing you from any other device when it comes to the first method. So when we want to open up our browser and type find my device. Okay, now let's click on the first option and click on sign in. Remember to log in into the same Google account that you are currently logged in on your phone. So if you don't know how to check it, click on settings, go to the Google, and here you have the mail and the account that you are currently logged in. Okay, so once you have signed in, you want to look for your device. In this case, the Realme Neo7 is this phone, RMX 5078. So simply click on it, click on the settings, and on the bottom, as you can see, we have option factory reset. You can read how this works right in here. So all data will be permanently erased from RMX 5078. After the reset, the device location will not be available in Find My Device. And if the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online again. So when you will reset through this option, you will lose all of your data. So have that in mind. And basically by resetting this phone, we will unlock it. So after the reset, we will need to set up your phone as a brand new setup once again. Okay, and now simply click on reset, click on reset again, and then follow the instruction on the screen. Okay, and just like I have said, you can perform this action from any other device. Just remember to log in into the same Google account that you are using on the phone. Alright, and now the second method. So now the phone is locked, we don't remember the password. Also, I will tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also non-ethical, so have that in mind. I'm only showing you how to unlock your phone. Alright, so the phone is locked, and what to do now? First, let's power off our phone. So let's tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. And now let's drag this white ball into the power off and let's release our finger. Okay, now the screen went black and the device is turned off. And now we want to enter the recovery mode, and from that place we will be able to reset our phone. To do it, we need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until we see the Realme logo, and we will feel a little vibration. So let's keep on holding. Okay, the phone vibrates, the Realme logo appeared. Now we can release our fingers, and now we should get access into the recovery mode. So let's wait a little bit. It shouldn't take that long. Okay, I think I was holding for too short, so let's repeat. Let's turn off our phone and let's hold the power and the volume down. This time a little bit longer. Okay, let's keep on holding. Now let's release. And now it should be fine. Okay, that's the thing that we wanted to achieve. Alright, so now to move around this menu, we can use the volume keys, just like that. And if you want to confirm the selected option, simply click on the power button. But instead, if you don't want to use volume keys, you can simply use your finger. So it's up to you. Okay, so now we want to select format data, And now we need to type this code using our keyboard. So let's type the code above. And now we want to click on format. And now, just like in the first case, you will lose all of your data, so have that in mind. Okay, now let's click on format. Now the process will start. Okay, data formatted. Click on OK. And now, just like in the first case, the phone will be automatically turned on again, and you will need to set it up. Also, if you want and have this possibility, you can go to the authorized center with the proof of purchase and then look for help. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.